Welcome to another episode of TriStar Fishing TV. This is DJ and Alex. Right now we're currently going upriver. We're going to try to go find some cleaner water. Honestly, is basically all we're doing. Maybe just go up, see if we can find a little warmer water too.
Yeah, we're going to be trying to catch them on the jig or the shaky head, just like keeping it slow and maintaining bottom contact, you know, what we usually try to do when it's cold. We're really trying to get up to that cleaner water way upriver. It's pretty deep right here, not too deep. What's the graph saying?
12 foot.
12 foot right here, but we're trying to get it to like, I don't know, anywhere from like 5 to 9, something like that. Trying to target some smallmouth that might be way upriver.
You got a hunch that there's some smallmouth upriver.
Stay tuned, guys. See if we get on them. Yeah, they're in the trees. Yeah, right there it is. Directly in front of you, the running water. See it? I got one. He's not bad.
Ooh, let's go on the shaky head. That's a good one.
Nice little bass started off.
How much do you think he weighs? 2 pounds?
Love shaky heads, dude. See you, bro.
Oh yeah. Bunch of stomps. Bunch of stomps. Yeah. Did not set the hook. He's got crawfish in his mouth. The belly on him. You hit it like right on the bank too. It's a good one.
Spot. No, it's just a really clean bass. Nice. What's up, everybody? Got a quick little update for y'all. We've been out here for a couple hours.
We are way up the river right now, and we noticed a little creek spot back there where a little creek mouth was real good. We saw on the map there was another one up here, and it turns out that this is what it is, and it produced some fish. You'll see it in the video.
Yeah, we caught some pretty good numbers in this little spot really quick. We just wanted to update you guys on what we're doing and what we're about to do next.
Basically, I caught one fish on this underspin, a pretty good spotted bass, real close on this rock over here. And then as we worked up towards this water, we started throwing Ned rigs and these little eddies.
Stay tuned, guys. If you watched this far, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, and stay tuned for more.
I feel like something grabbed it. Yeah. Came back for it. Big smallmouth. Sweet. Stones River Smallies. Thank you, sir. Fish I've missed like that.
I just think they're schooled up. I mean, it could be like some half-pound smallies. That's probably what it is. Yeah, I agree. It's beautiful. So hey, that looks sick. Got him.
Don't pop it too hard.
You got him, you got him.
Okay. Bit of wind out of nowhere. Big. I got it. I got it. All right, here you go. You ready? I still gotta get redemption on a big smallmouth. I mean, big largemouth, but I feel a lot better about today. God, good call coming all the way up here. No, it was like on some rock. In the boat. Big one. No, I had to catch up, dude. Go, son.
Got a nice little 3-pounder right here. Flipping the trees. Day's still going. Get back out there and get on them. This is the most satisfying thing in the entire world.
I haven't caught a fish in a while. Alex has caught a few though. He just caught a pretty big one. And I'd say this fish is close to 2 pounds, probably 1 3/4. Been flipping jigs the whole way back, catching fish. Choked it too.
Yeah, that jig is gone.
Epic day. We really appreciate you guys watching our videos. I mean, we work pretty hard getting out here to make it for you. I know Alex works extremely hard editing them, does a great job. We're out here at Walmart, have a little better lighting to let you know, recapping it for you, and wrap it up.
We got out there this morning and it was cold. Our intentions were to go all the way up the river, start there and kind of float back looking for smallmouth.
We got way up the river like we planned to and caught a nice smallmouth on a jig. From there on out, it's just flipping jigs all up in the trees, getting on them. Alex caught a couple of real nice fish. We had about 5 keepers today that went for about 11 pounds. We added it up.
Guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss a second of TriStar Fishing.